फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। तो आज के हम इस वीडियो में करने वाले हैं क्लास 8 एसएस का चैप्टर नंबर 6 फ्रीडम मूवमेंट का। यह है आपका लास्ट पार्ट 2। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 से आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन 1 और 2 सेंटेंसेस का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। व्हेन डज द स्पिरिट ऑफ नेशनल यूनिटी अराइज इन पीपल। इसमें आपका आंसर आएगा व्हेन पीपल ऑफ नेशनल रियलाइज दैट दे आर वन, their interest in one, the spirit of national unity arise in them. Question number 2. When, where, under whose presidency was the first session of Hindi Rashtriya Mahasabha held? Answer is the first session of the Hindi Rashtriya Mahasabha was held in December 20, 1885 at the Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit School in Mumbai under the presidency of Ramesh Chandra Banerjee. Question number 3. Which leaders were included among the moderate leaders? Answer है leader like सुरेंद्र नाथ बैनर्जी, गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले, फिरोज शाह मेहता, रमेश चंद्र बैनर्जी, दादा भाई नारोजी, बदरुद्दीन तैयब, वीकेटी तेलंगाना दिशा अच्छा। ये सारे जो है वो प्रोमिनेंट लीडर थे। फर्स्ट फेज ऑफ द सभा इंक्लूडेड अमंग द मॉडरेट लीडर्स। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच अनाउंसमेंट डिड बाल गंगाधर तिलक में? तो बाल गंगाधर तिलक अनाउंस स्वराज इज माई बर्थ राइट एंड आई शैल हैव इट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Who first started revolutionary activities in India? The revolutionary activities were started in India by by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Question number 6. Which revolutionaries provided an excellent example of Hindi-Muslim unity? Answer: revolutionaries named Ram Prasad Bismil and Asfar Ullah Khan provided an excellent example of Hindu-Muslim unity. Now, question number 7. When and where was India's first three-color flag hoisted? Answer है India's first three-color flag was hoisted at the second International Socialist Conference held in Stuttgart, Germany in 1907 AD. Question number 8. Where in Govind Guru Samadhi even today? तो Govind Guru Samadhi is still there at Kambai in Limri Taluka of Dahod district. Question number 9. From where and when did Gandhi ji return to India? तो गांधी जी returned to India from South Africa in 1915 AD. Question number 10. What does the तीन काठिया method mean? तो आंसर है European forced farmer of cultivate indigo on 3/20th part of their land. This method of indigo farming was known as the तीन काठिया वाली method. ठीक है। Now अब आपका आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Why did गांधी जी कॉल द रिवोल्ट एक्ट एज ब्लैक एक्ट? आंसर है बेस्ड ऑन द रिवोल्ट एक्ट एनी पर्सन कुड बी अरेस्टेड विदाउट गिविंग अ रीजन एंड ही कुड बी पनिश्ड थ्रू ट्रायल इन अ स्पेशल कोर्ट. सो गांधी जी कॉल द रिवोल्ट एक्ट एज अ ब्लैक एक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. वाई इंडियंस अपोज द रिवोल्ट एक्ट? तो आंसर है people opposed the revolt act. A seat took away their fundamental right to freedom and speech. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 आता है who started the non cooperative movement when? तो गांधी जी started the non cooperative movement in 1920 AD. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Why was वल्लभ भाई पटेल given the title of Sardar? तो the Bardoli Satyagrah was successful under the valiant leadership of Vallabh Bhai Patel. After the successful management of the Satyagrah, Vallabh Bhai Patel became famous as Sardar. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 आता है who started the Dandi March when and from where? आंसर है गांधी जी started Dandi March. Gandhi ji started marching to Dandi from Sabarmati Ashram of Ahmedabad with his companions of 12th March 1930. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 आता है आप लोग का in the border area of Hind province which fight was undertaken and under whose leadership was it fought? आंसर है in the border area of Hind province a non-violent fight of no tax was fought under the leadership of frontier Gandhi Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 आपका क्वेश्चन आता है विच एस्पेक्ट्स वेर इंक्लूडेड इन द गांधी इरविन पैक्ट? आंसर इज द गांधी इरविन पैक्ट इंक्लूडेड की इशूज सच एज फ्रीडम टू मेक सॉल्ट, पीसफुल पिकेटिंग एंड रिलीज ऑफ सत्याग्रही फ्रॉम जेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Why did the Cripps mission fail? So the Cripps mission failed as it could not satisfy Indians' demand for independence. Question number 19. Who started the Quiet India movement when? So Gandhi ji started Quiet India movement on 18th August 1942 AD. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, हाउ इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस बिलीव्ड टू हैव डाइड? तो आंसर है it is believed that Subhash Chandra Bose died when he was returning to Japan. His plane catch fire and it is believed that he died in that accident on 18th August 1945. However, his death remains a mystery to this day. Question number 21, when did India become an independent nation? So India became an independent nation on 15th August 1947. नाउ ब्रीफली अब आपका आता है आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन ब्रीफ का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाई डिड गांधी जी गिव द टाइटल ऑफ डुंगली चोर टू मोहनलाल पंड्या? तो गांधी जी गिव मोहनलाल पंड्या द टाइटल ऑफ डुंगली चोर as and Gandhi ji's advice Mohanlal Pandya and his colleagues had harvested a crop of onions from a field which had been confiscated by the British. Now question number 2, why did Gandhiji postpone the non-cooperative movement? So in 1992 AD, when police opened fire on a peaceful procession of farmers in Chauri Chora village near Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh, the angry mob attacked the police station and set it on fire, in which 22 policemen died. Mahatma Gandhi believed in non-violent satyagraha. On getting the news of the incident, a Saturday Gandhiji announced the postpone of the non-cooperative movement. Question number 3, from where and up to which place was the Dandi March organized by? Answer is the Dandi March was organized from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi Fort located in Navsari district. ठीक है, नाउ अब आता है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, इसमें आपको हिस्टोरिकल रीजन दे रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वी सेलिब्रेट 26 जनवरी एज अ रिपब्लिक डे एवरी ईयर. तो द resolution of complete independence was passed in the Congress session at Lahore in 1929 AD. It was chaired by Jawaharlal Nehru. A resolution was passed to celebrate this day as Purna Swaraj. In remembrance of this day, the Indian Constitution was implemented on 26 January 1950. So we celebrate this day as a Republic Day every year. Question number 2, V.K. Roy Lord Mountbatten decided to partition India. The answer है, when Lord Mountbatten was appointed, the V.K. Roy communal riots were going on in many parts of the nation due to the non-cooperative attitude of the Muslim League. The interim government could not function. There was no possibility of the compromise regarding Swaraj between the Congress and the Muslim League. As a result, V.K. Roy Lord Mountbatten decided to partition of India. Now अब आप लोग को क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, answer the following question as required. Question number 1, which factors were responsible for the emergence and development of the nationalism in India? इसमें आपको 3 पॉइंट लिखने हैं. आंसर इसमें आप लोग का, the following factors were responsible for the emergence and development of nationalism in India. Point number 1, uniform British administration. After the British company brought the country under its rule by the mid 19th century, it established uniform law and administration in the country. In this way, the idea of such national unity was given unintentionally of Indians by the British. Second point आता है आप लोग का economic exploitation. Because of the policy of economic exploitation of the British government, the peasant were ruined and artisans become unemployed when industries collapsed. The economic dissatisfaction and a sense of injustice united the peaceful against the British government. क्वेश्चन नंबर पार्ट यहाँ पे आपका पॉइंट 3 आता है, जिसमें है आप लोग का इंग्लिश एजुकेशन. आंसर है, एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन अ स्मॉल बट पावरफुल क्लास ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल इमर्ज्ड इन इंडिया. वेस्टर्न स्टाइल ऑफ एजुकेशन इज इंस्टिल्ड अ लैंग्वेज फॉर सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट एंड इंडिपेंडेंस इन देम. सेकेंड पॉइंट आता है इसमें आप लोग का, ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन द रिवोल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटी इन इंडिया. जिसमें आपको 5 पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं. पॉइंट नंबर 1, revolutionary activity were first started in India by Vasudev Balwant Phadke by Maharashtra. He organized the backward classes and gave them combat training. Second point, the deadly plague had spread in many parts of Mumbai and Maharashtra, and the chief plague commissioner and his assistant harassed people at such a time. So the angry Duke Damodar Savarkar founded the revolutionary organism is called Mitra Mela in 1900 AD, which was posted known as Abhinav Bharat Savarkar books. Indians Wars of Independence 1857 AD was the first book in the world to be banned before its publication. He carried out revolutionary activities in Pendon, in London. The British government arrested him. Fourth point: the committee of which Benindra Ghosh became the main leader later on was the Anushri Pass Samiti. The organization made extensive effort to spread revolutionary ovary literature, training, etc. Point 5 आता है. Khudiram Bose and Praful Chandra Chaki planned to kill the magistrate Kingsford. नाउ ये आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. शॉर्ट नोट इसमें आप लोग को लिखना है दांडी मार्च के ऊपर. तो आंसर है इन 1930 एडी गांधी जी अनाउंस दैट ही वुड ट्रैवल ऑन पैक्ट टू ब्रेक द अनजस्ट सॉल्ट लॉ. ही मार्च द दांडी मार्च फॉर हिज पर्पस. द टैक्स इम्पोज्ड ऑन सॉल्ट वाज द वर्ल्ड injustice of the British government. The British government had monopolized the production and of salt. Gandhiji and other leaders believed the living tax on salt was a sin because it is a basic need of our food. Gandhiji started marching to Dandi, seashore of Navsari district from Sabarmati Ashram with the 78 satyagrahis on 12th March 1913. He covered a distance of 370 kilometers on foot. In this historical journey has become famous as a Dandi March. On the way, he organized meetings in various villages like Alsi, Bareji, Haryad, Anundabas, Jambusar, Surat, Navsari, etc. He reached Dandi on 5th April early in the morning on 6th April 1930 AD. Gandhiji violated the salt law by picking up a pinch of a low salt in his hand on the shores of the valley. He started the civil disobedience movement. The movement of breaking the salt law started the various part of our country. तो यहाँ पे आपका ये चैप्टर ओवर होता है. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं. जय हिंद, जय भारत.